Hi there, I'm Mrs. C, and welcome back to Math Defined. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of transformations. Transformations are all around us, from the way we move our bodies to the way images are created on a computer screen. Let's explore a few examples. Imagine a soccer ball in the middle of a soccer field. It moves across the field in different directions, but always stays the same size and shape. This is called a translation. Now picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. When you raise your right arm, your reflection raises its left arm. This is an example of a reflection. Finally, think about sitting in a car on a Ferris wheel. As the Ferris wheel turns, your car moves in a circular path, up, down, and around. This is known as a rotation. Transformations involve rigid movements that preserve key properties like size and shape. Just like the soccer ball moving around the field, a rigid movement doesn't change a shape, size, or form. It simply changes its position or orientation. Let's explore translations first. A translation is a movement or a slide of a shape from one place to another. It's like sliding a shape across a piece of paper. To translate a shape, you need to know the direction and distance of the movement. For example, let's translate this blue trapezoid 3 units up and 6 units to the right. The new red trapezoid will be exactly 3 units above and 6 units to the right of the original blue trapezoid. In this rigid movement, the blue figure slides to create the red figure, which we call the image. So the red figure is a translation of the blue figure. Now let's flip things around with reflections. A reflection is a flip of a shape over a line. It's like looking at a shape in a mirror. To reflect a shape, you need to know the line of reflection. For example, if you reflect a triangle over the y-axis, the new triangle will be a mirror image of the original triangle, but it will be flipped to the opposite side of the y-axis. Here, the blue triangle flips to form the red triangle, which is its reflection. Finally, let's turn things around with rotations. A rotation is a turn of a shape around a point called the center of rotation. It's like spinning a shape on a turntable. To rotate a shape, you need to know the center of rotation and the angle of rotation, or the number of degrees the shape turns. If you rotate this blue trapezoid 180 degrees about the origin, the new image will be the same shape turned upside down. The blue figure rotates 180 degrees to form the red figure, which we call the image. Transformations aren't just math concepts, they're everywhere around us. When you walk, your body is translating from one place to another. When you look in a mirror, you're seeing a reflection of yourself. And when a car turns a corner, it's rotating around the center of the turn. Transformations are also widely used in math, like in geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. Beyond that, they're essential in fields like computer graphics, animation, and video games. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. And until next time, keep math awesome.